You need to stop building ugly websites with Claude Code. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 steps on how you can take your website from looking like this to this in only 4 steps. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first. Why do your websites look so ugly when you generate them with Claude Code? The answer is actually quite simple. Claude Code is not a design tool, it's just a coding tool. So that means that it can generate fast code and it can generate great code in only a matter of moments, but it can't design things, it can't generate images, and it can't generate these beautiful UI components that we all want in a website. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you 4 simple tools that you can use to make your websites look really beautiful. Let's get into the first tool. Alright, the first tool to use is the UI/UX Pro tool. And this is a skill that you can directly implement in Claude Code. And what this actually does is that it gives Claude Code a kind of template inventory that it can use for complete UI designs and complete front-end designs. So it's basically kind of like a library of different templates and different UI designs and styles. The second tool is the 21st Dev. Now this is going to be your components. This is from where Claude gets its buttons, its small animations, and the smaller components. So you're going to use UI/UX Pro for the full design and full template, and then you're going to use 21st.dev for the components and individual buttons and headers and small details. The third step, this is actually one of my favorite features for building websites with Claude Code, and that is enabling a kind of screenshot function into Claude Code. So you basically tell Claude Code that when you have created the website, take a full page screenshot of the entire website. Then I want you to analyze it and change things that you don't think look right or kind of look kind of unformatted or unstructured. And then you just loop on, repeat doing the screenshot until you get it right. Alright, and the fourth step and the actual last step is just implementing Claude Code's original design prompt. You see, Claude Code actually has a full design prompt for creating front-end material, creating front-end designs like landing pages or websites. And you can actually easily find this on Claude Code's website. Okay, but how do you actually set up these? You see, it's actually really simple. The screenshot and the original Claude design prompt, you can actually just ask Claude to install them or acquire them for you straight up in Claude Code. And the UI/UX Pro is actually a Claude skill, so you actually also just need to ask Claude Code to install the UI/UX Pro skill onto your computer globally, and then Claude Code will use it whenever you tell it to use the UI/UX Pro skill. So the only one of these to actually acquire a kind of setup is 21st.dev, and the setup is incredibly simple. You basically just need to go to 21st.dev on your local computer and create an account, and then you just need to get your API key, give it to Claude, and Claude will generate that full MCP tool for you. So 21st.dev is actually a MCP tool, the UI/UX Pro is actually a Claude skill, and the screenshot and Claude prompt you can just acquire from Claude. Now, if you want this setup to be incredibly easy, I highly recommend you checking out the description, because there I have a full prompt on how you can set it up. It basically takes 10 minutes maximum, so go check that out. Now there you have it, the 4 tools you can use to make your Claude Code websites actually look good and actually sell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!